Is Gethin a good dancer?
Is Gethin a good dancer? Well, I'm glad you asked me that today and not 3 weeks ago. I think he will be, and I think he's getting there. Yes, he's got nice rhythm.
Is he improving? Will he be ready for the big performance?
Well, yeah, I only told him yesterday that the choreography I've given him is quite advanced, so I have been pushing him way over and to the limit, and I think he will be ready for Saturday. He's a fantastic guy to work with, and he's used to challenges, and therefore he's giving it 120%. Well, this afternoon I got slightly brave, and I thought, you know, some of the other couples have started the dances for the next couple of weeks because you've got to prepare. You know, you don't have a lot of time, so we kind of came up with this very brave move for the jive, which is week 3, which means our second dance. And we did get the crash mats out, and I think that was quite lucky because flick, hit, and drop. And I was kind of dropped on the floor. Slightly painful, which is why I'm wearing this now to keep warm. Shall be seeing the physio tomorrow, but fingers crossed everything will be okay for Saturday. I just want to enjoy Saturday, really.
Are you still going to try and do that move, or is it out of the routine?
That move is on hold at the moment, and I do still trust Gethin, and I'm sure we'll be doing lots of lifting and on all sort of funny, you know, tricks. But I don't know about that one yet. It went really well 4 times in a row, and then I don't know what happened. But you know, it just shows that dancing is difficult, and you do need to be focused, and it is technically difficult. You know, if one thing just goes wrong, everything falls apart.
Brilliant. I understand you've been learning a little bit of Welsh.
Well, let's put it this way. I think Gethin is doing better with the dancing and the chatter than I am with the Welsh. I'm finding it really difficult. The one thing that sticks in my mind is always Nosta, because that's normally the last thing I say when I say goodbye to him after practice, because it's sort of after Blue Peter and late at night. Sorry. What's the other one? Poplock, Gethin, nice one. You'll need that maybe on Saturday, I don't know, I hope not. And what was the other one? I forgot. Shamai? Right. That's the only 3 I have. I'll try to practice more.
Are you confident you'll be able to give a good performance Saturday night?
Well, I'm really excited about Saturday. I've been very excited about the first show ever since I met Gethin, because I just think I couldn't have wished for a more perfect partner. You know, he's got the ability, he's got the rhythm, and he really wants to learn to dance. So we'll do everything to do a great performance, and I want him to enjoy it. If Gethin can look back on Saturday and say, wow, I'm quite proud of what I've, you know, done in 3 weeks, that'd be amazing. So we're going to have a good time, I hope.